with Austin Canoe and Kayak on my way to Choke Canyon Lake, which is just southeast of San Antonio, Texas, on a 3-day, 2-night fishing adventure. Gonna meet up with about 6 guys fishing for crappie, bass, and catfish. Really looking forward to this trip. It's been a while since I've been out. So far, it's a pretty mild day. It's supposed to be some storms out, but I see the sun peeking through the clouds. Check engine light just went on, so if you're seeing this, it probably means that I made it there. I have to admit, though, I'm a little bit concerned because I was told there's some alligators in this lake. From the research that I did, sure enough, they're there. Now, rumor has it that they won't chase kayaks or anything that's bigger than them, so I rented the biggest, baddest kayak we sell, which is a Hobie Pro Angler, which I will be doing a complete review on. Anyway, if you're watching this, chances are I had a pretty good report. Enjoy the film. Yeah, baby. Here we are, day number 2. I didn't do too well yesterday. I actually caught about I want to say it was a 4-pound bass. Hard to say though, because I never brought it into the boat. I was pretty disappointed when I lost it. But had a good time though. I think day number 2 is going to be a little more successful. We'll see how it goes. Didn't mean to touch it. So there you have it. Time to go home. Good trip. Good friends, good food, caught plenty of fish. The Hobie Pro Angler did everything I expected it to do. Very impressed with that boat. I didn't see any gators, and quite frankly, I'm okay with that. Had a great weekend. Looking forward to the next one. Cheers.